Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at noise in pavement. Our outline for today is purpose and application, fundamentals and cost, how it works, in-state use, maintenance, safety, and then we'll summarize it all. Purposes and application. The purpose of noise in pavement is to keep nodding drivers awake instead of falling asleep behind the wheel. These noise barriers are also used to signify a change in elevation, such as an overwrought or bridge. Lastly, other than usual wear and tear, certain rough pavement sections allow the roads to clean themselves instead of letting puddles form on the interstate. Fundamentals. Bumps or changes in the surface of pavement would be used to signify turns or any relative change in the road structure in order to keep drivers aware and in their lane, as well as the simple rough surface of pavement your tire bounces off of while driving. That's how it works, the little vibrations your tire makes, as well as that being combined with the sound of your engine and exhaust. The true cost of noise in pavement, however, does not come with the monetary value, but instead comes from a list of comforts that the noise produces. From wear and tear of the road as well as car and tire insulation, the noise can be unbearable for certain drivers. How it works. Noise in pavement can be directly sourced to a few things. Roughly 75 to 90% of noise comes from the tire to pavement connections. Some other factors that do not contribute as much but still do not help quiet the roads are the vehicle's engine and exhaust system. Several other factors that can increase the noise decibels are the roughness of the road itself, tire tread, size of the tire, as well as size of the vehicle or how many axles it has. In-state use. Reducing pavement noise in Texas as well as general road construction in Texas seems to always be never ending. However, this endless construction is partially due to the top layer being resurfaced. Now, aside from the usual wear and tear on roads, research over the years have proven if we make 1/8 inch wide cuts on the new smooth surface, we can keep the smoothness and quietness of the road while maintaining the water runoff and keeping the roads clean. Maintenance. Pavement maintenance and upkeep is very different than your usual material upkeep, as concrete doesn't really warp or bend. It simply breaks off in chunks and creates these little potholes, if you will. So in order to do maintenance on these roads, we would simply resurface them here in 10 to 20 years whenever it gets too bad to drive on. When resurfacing as technology and research develops, they will continue to keep the road smooth while making their water runoff 1/8 inch wide cuts. Safety. The safety in this noise reduction comes from making the wide cuts, as these cuts in the roads would simply become a wet water park for all daily commuters without the cuts. So for safety of the roads, besides cutting into the road itself, we also cut on the sides of the exterior lanes, as without this, you could be completely off the shoulder without even knowing it. Summary. In summary, while it seems like the state of Texas is always under road construction, half the time it's simply to resurface and better yet, to improve the road conditions, not to help with the increased traffic. The unwanted noise pavement makes with the minuscule bounces off your tire of the pavement is being fixed over time, as these projects can take years. From learning that certain 1/8 inch wide cuts to go along the grooves of the tire of the tread that still allow runoff water to, run off, to learning that technology has also allowed for smoother pavement surfaces, quieter roads to commute are coming, and better yet, they're already here. For instance, I-10 in San Antonio.